Hello, hello students. Once again, welcome back in my YouTube channel. And today we are going to start a new chapter 4 of English literature. So I hope that you all are aware, you all are ready with your pen and copy because we will today read about the author because this chapter, The Father's Help, is written by R.K. Narayanan. So you all write the name of the chapter in the comment box. What is the name of the chapter? Chapter 4 of English literature. So students, first of all we will look about the author, that is R.K. Narayanan. So one more thing that still we have studied in our English literature about the chapters, many chapters, but all those writers are the foreigner writers. Some writers comes from England, some writers come from Spain. So in the same way, R.K. Narayanan is the first writer in our English literature who is the Indian writer, and he is generally known for his the novels. He wrote many novels, and you all can write the date of birth in the comment box. So I have written only he was born in 1906 and died in 2001. As students, we will talk about the concise name of the author R.K. Narayan. Then R.K. Narayan stands for Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayan Swami, and this name R.K. Narayan, Rasipuram, R stands for the name of his village, मतलब उनके विलेज का नाम रसीपुरम था, and K stands for the Krishna Swami, and this is the name of this name was of his father Krishna Swami Iyer, and Narayan Swami his own name. So R.K. Narayan stands for Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayan Swami, and he was Indian writer and basically known for his fiction. Fiction means novels, which is written into many chapters, is known as the fiction or the novel. And he wrote mostly his novels from the background of southern India, and there was a basically village name is Malgudi. He was a leading writer of modern Indian literature along with Mulk Rajanand and Raja Rao. As students, you must know that Raja Rao and Mulk Rajanand was also the famous Indian writer in English literature of modern English literature. So R.K. Narayan is the modern English literature writer, and Narayan highlights the social life of the typical Indians of his contemporary period. मीन्स जो उनके समय की विलेज में रहने वाले लोगों की जो सामाजिक स्थिति थी उसका इन्होंने डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है अपने नॉवेल्स में, और उनकी सामाजिक स्थितियों का वर्णन किया है. मीन्स दैट पीरियड वॉज बेसिकली नोन एज द पीरियड ऑफ द ब्रिटिश इंडियन पीरियड. And let us see the next thing about R.K. Narayan. You can see here the picture of R.K. Narayan. This is the picture of R.K. Narayan, and just beside of him there is a village, and all his novels background are from this village, and this village is known as the Malgudi town. Okay, this village is in Malgudi town. Let us look on the next slide. Awards and honors. Now we will talk about the awards, that how many awards he won in his life and what were the importance of those awards. First award was the Sahitya Academy Award. He won this prestigious award for his famous fiction Guide in 1958. Students, I hope that some of you have seen a picture, a film, Guide, and this picture is picturized on the basis of the characters from this novel Guide. And for this work he won the Sahitya Academy Award. Actually Sahitya Academy Award is the prestigious award for लिटरेचर. ये लिटरेचर में इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के लिए भी दिया जाता है, इंडियन लिटरेचर के लिए भी दिया जाता है, हिंदी लिटरेचर के लिए भी दिया जाता है. मतलब जो हमारे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के आर्टिकल में जो 22 लैंग्वेजेस जो हैं उन सारे लैंग्वेजेस के लिए साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड दिया जाता है. सो ही वोन दिस प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड इन 1958. एंड नेक्स्ट अवार्ड विच इज़ अ वेरी famous award, that is Padma Bhushan. He received this honor in 1964 and this honor was given to him during the Republic Day parade. And you all know that at that time who was the prime minister in 1964. आप लोगों का अगर हिस्ट्री अच्छी होगी तो आप लोगों को पता होगा कि 1964 में इंडिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन थे. हु वाज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया एट दैट टाइम? You will write in the comment box. He won numerous awards like Royal Society of Literature, American Academy of Arts and Letters. He was also nominated for Nobel Prize many times but could not win. मतलब उनके जो भी वर्क्स थे बहुत कई बार नोबेल प्राइज़ के लिए भी नॉमिनेट किए गए बट ही कुड नॉट फाइनली वोन दैट नोबेल प्राइज़. एंड it was about the prize and the honors and the awards of R.K. Narayan. So two awards that is very famous, Sahitya Academy Award and the Padma Bhushan Award he won. Next thing, now we will talk about the major works of R.K. Narayan. Swami and Friends. All there are the many fictions, many novels are written on the basis of the Swami's life and his friends. Actually Swami and Friends, Swami he himself narrates about the as a Swami, and all these novels are the fictions are related to his own life. So you can simply say that these are the autobiographies of R.K. Narayan. And next work, The Guide. As we have already discussed about this मेजर वर्क, फेमस वर्क द गाइड. और इसमें इस गाइड में जो एक फिल्म बनी है इंडियन फिल्म द गाइड, उसमें देवानंद हैं हीरो के रूप में और एक हीरोइन के रूप में है. उसका नाम जो कैरेक्टर है वो रोजी है. यू कैन आल्सो सी दिस पिक्चर. एंड नेक्स्ट मालगुडी डेज. एंड लास्ट at least, but it is not list, there are also many works written by R.K. Narayan, the English teacher. So four major works I have written here, written here to show you: Swami and Friends, The Guide, Malgudi Days, The English Teacher. Suppose that in the question, in your examination, the question will ask that write any four major works of R.K. Narayan, then you can write Swami and Friends, The Guide, Malgudi Days, The English Teacher. Now students, we will talk about the summary of this picture, but before coming on the summary I would like to show you some pictures and would also like to create some situations in front of you, and you will answer that what kind of reactions will be used in such a situation. Suppose that you are working late any day and you are getting late for going to school, then what will you do? Your first situation. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि किसी दिन अगर आप थोड़ा सा देरी से जग रहे हैं और आपको स्कूल जाने में देरी हो गई है, ऑलरेडी यू हैव गेट लेट फॉर योर स्कूल, देन व्हाट विल यू डू? ओके, माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सिचुएशन है, आप लोगों का रिएक्शन देखना है मुझे. व्हाट विल बी योर रिएक्शंस इफ यू हैव एनी प्लान इन योर माइंड just to save yourself from your father, then what kind of the problems you will show in front of your parents? मतलब अगर आप कोई प्रॉब्लम अपने दिमाग में बनाए हुए हो कि ये प्रॉब्लम बता करके मैं बच सकता हूँ अपने पेरेंट्स को और स्कूल नहीं जाऊँगा, तो वो कौन कौन सी आप लोग प्रॉब्लम्स बता सकते हो? You will write it in the comment box that how many problems you can create in front of your parents for pretending not to go the school, okay, if you have already get late. Now students, let us come on the summary of this chapter. But before coming on this summary, I would like to tell you orally something important about this chapter. In this chapter, there is a child whose name is Swami, and he is a very lazy, very mischievous boy. He never tried to do complete his work, homeworks, and most of the times he looks mischievous and naughty, but he is a very lovable student and a child, okay? और वो बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को क्रिएट करता है, अपने कामों को वर्क्स को कंप्लीट नहीं करता है, और अपने टीचर्स के बारे में भी कंप्लेंट्स करता है। कुछ सही भी कंप्लेंट्स करता है और कुछ गलत भी कंप्लेंट्स करता है अपने आप को बचाने के लिए। सो लेट अस सी हियर द समरी ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। फादर्स हेल्प, what is the name of the chapter? I have already asked you in starting of the video that what is the name of the chapter. So the name of the chapter is Father's Help, chapter number 4 of your English literature, which is written by R.K. Narayanan. R.K. Narayanan stands for Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayanan. Okay, Narayan Swami. So Father's Help is a fiction or a short novel by Narayan's famous novel Malgudi Days. मैंने पहले 4 वर्क्स बताए थे इससे पहले ना आप लोगों को। आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू 4 मेजर वर्क्स ऑफ आर के नारायण। सो दिस इज एन एक्सट्रैक्ट, दिस small fiction is an extract from the novel Malgudi Days of R.K. Narayan. In this fiction, author portrays the life of a small child, Swami, who is lazy and naughty but lovable all time. One day Monday morning, okay, Swami wakes up late and makes many pretensions for not going to school. He is also scared with his geography teacher Samuel. What is the name of his geography teacher? Samuel, okay. And Samuel seems to us, according to the writer R.K. Narayan, that he was a very cruel teacher. Actually this story is written about the R.K. Narayan, and we can also say that this is an autobiography of R.K. Narayan. ये एक तरह से आर के नारायण की ऑटोबायोग्राफी है। स्वामी एंड मालगुडी डेज ये जो भी हैं उसमें उन्होंने लिखा है, अपने बारे में ही लिखा है, अपने जो ये मेजर वर्क्स हैं उनके बारे में ही ये सारी चीज़ें लिखी गई हैं। सो जियोग्राफी टीचर जो सैमुअल है बहुत ही क्रूर है, ही इज़ अ वेरी क्रूअल टीचर ऑफ स्वामी। सो ही इज जस्ट नरेटिंग अबाउट सैमुअल। अब वो देरी से उठता है, उसके फादर बोलते हैं कि नहीं बेटा तुम्हें स्कूल जाना है, देरी से ही सही लेकिन तुम्हें स्कूल जाना है तो जाना है। फिर उसके बाद स्वामी स्कूल नहीं जाने के लिए और भी बहुत सारे बहाने बनाता है, प्रिटेंशंस करता है। वो कहता है कि नो माय डियर फादर, एक्चुअली माय जियोग्राफी टीचर इज़ अ वेरी क्रूअल टीचर एंड ही विल बीट मी आफ्टर रीचिंग लेट इन द स्कूल। मतलब स्कूल में देरी से पहुंचने के लिए वो मुझे बीट करेगा, पीटेगा। हिज फादर डज नॉट लेट हिम गेट फ्री ऑन हिज प्रिटेंशंस एंड आस्क हिम टू गो टू स्कूल। मतलब वो बहुत सारी बहानों के बाद भी उसके फादर उसको छोड़ते नहीं हैं, उसको फ्री नहीं करते हैं, मुक्त नहीं करते हैं। वो कहते नहीं एनी हाउ यू हैव टू गो टू स्कूल टूडे, चाहे जो कुछ भी हो। देन स्वामी कंप्लेन्स अबाउट द क्रूएल्टी ऑफ सैमुअल ऑफ हिज जियोग्राफी टीचर। हिज फादर राइट्स अ लेटर, मतलब उसके क्रूएल्टी के बारे में बताता है कि सैमुअल बहुत ही क्रूएल है, वो पीटता है, इवन वो इतना मारता है कि जब तक कि हाथों से खून ना आ जाए तब तक वो पीटता है, ऐसा क्रूएल टीचर है। और ये सुनने के बाद स्वामी के जो फादर हैं वो बहुत ही गुस्से में होते हैं और फिर वो एक कंप्लेन लेटर लिखते हैं हेडमास्टर के नाम से, और वो कहते हैं कि ये कंप्लेन लेटर उसके बैग में रख देते हैं स्वामी के। एंड आफ्टर कीपिंग दिस कंप्लेन लेटर इन द बैग ही टोल्ड to Swami that you can just hand over this letter to your headmaster and I promise you that your teacher will not beat anymore after getting the letter. Okay, so he forced to go. Swami's father forced him to go to the school. His father writes a letter to his headmaster about the cruelty of Samuel and asks to take the action against him. So, students, these are the things about chapter number 4, and after that I will explain in the next video about your chapter 4. So I hope that you all have the books in front of you. So let us start the explanation.